I don't see this exact failure in anything else in this clogged emulsion tube here. It clogged the main. That's the main jet we're pointing out first. We're gonna go ahead and take that out, and I don't see too many float needles sticking. However, clogged emulsion tubes are 99% of what I see snowblowers come in for, and they clog. So you have to dissect this carburetor. As I stick a screwdriver right down the ventura, and I press down, and boom, as you can see, it pops it right out there. And there's our blockage, folks.